Hello! In this lesson, we will be creating chatbot menu. This is the 8th lesson following the series How to Create a Chatbot. So, without further ado, let's design and go to the chatbot menu to get started. The menu appears in the chat window on the side, and you can create custom menus for your bot. The platform offers 3 types of buttons that you can choose from. First, Parent Button. This works as the main menu button, which leads to further sub-menu buttons. You can create up to 3 main menu buttons. Then comes Action Button. This triggers any bot message, story, media block, or plugin that you choose. And lastly, Web Link, which of course redirects to a website link that you connect this button with. So let's add a parent button first. Assuming that I have a restaurant and the menu is actually my restaurant's menu, I create a breakfast menu category. Save the button. Then, select an action button for this main menu. I choose Bot Says and add a title for the sub-menu button, let's say Starters. Then, I add the message I want to send when the user clicks on this button. You can also save user attributes for this menu, which will help you create user lists, which is another story for another day. Let's stick to menus for now. Add this button. And then drag it and drop it within the parent menu button, which is breakfast. So now, Starter is a sub-menu for breakfast. Moving on to another parent button for lunch menu. Type the title, click Add Button, and then I'm going to add a web link button underneath it. So I choose Little for this button and then add my web page link to which I want my user to get redirected to. Saving the button and drag and drop it inside the lunch main menu. Next up, I am going to create an action button, but without any main menu, this will be a direct action button. Remember, 3 is the limit, so I cannot add any more main menu buttons here. Choosing Media Block this time as my action button. Select any media block from the dropdown. You must have a media block created for this, by the way. Adding the button, and then clicking Save. Now, my chatbot menu is saved. However, I can disable input from the user by saving it from here. This will disable all my users to type anything, and they will only choose the predefined menu or any other media block or story triggered in the Get Started, meaning the whole flow of the bot will be user input free. Let's try the chatbot now. Going to the side menu of my chat window, I see all my menu buttons are up and running. The breakfast parent button, starter inside it, the lunch main menu, action button inside it, and the more info action as a direct button in my main menu. Let's click on starter to see if it works. Cool. And the message, "How old are you?" you are seeing is the user attribute that my chatbot is showing since I added this to my bot message. Then I will try the phone number, get the menu button, and see if it's redirecting me to my web page. It does, but that website does not exist. So anyway, this shows how the menu works, but the user isn't able to type anything. So I'm going to delete this input, disable feature, and allow my users to type anything. Going back to see if the changes worked. Excellent. The chatbot is working fine. Menu looks good. And my user is also able to type anything they want. You can also edit your menu button by clicking on them. Simply click on any button and make the desired changes, and then click on Update button. You can also drag and change the positions of your menu buttons if need be. And with that, the lesson sums up. You can go to our help.botsify page and find helpful guides on your chatbot menu as well. Hope you liked the video. Bye.